Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss J. That is going to be the new name of my channel very soon, because in almost every intro that I record, that's what I say and then I scrap it. So I think I'm eventually going to change the name of my channel to that, because I mean, why not? Hello, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Juta, and on this channel I post lifestyle videos, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and eventually I'm going to step into one niche very soon. And if you're not new here, welcome back and thank you for revisiting my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing this beautiful deep wave wig that I got off AliExpress. I have posted this wig on my Instagram as a reel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put my handle on the screen. Go follow me and like my pictures and I will follow you back. But I just actually wanted to do an honest review about the wig, because this wig is bomb. Like, it is the bomb. So unfortunately I'm not able to show you guys how it came, like the packaging and all that. So this wig is the Rosabeauty Deep Wave 24-inch 4x4 lace closure. When I say this wig is the bomb, this wig is the bomb. Like, I haven't had any issues with this wig, like very minimal shedding. This is my second time washing it and it still looks good. I did not customize it personally myself. I didn't customize this wig myself. I gave it to somebody to bleach it and customize it for me, because I needed it for my birthday and I needed it to be perfect. But as you can see, it took the bleach really well. It's still good. Like, I'm not having any matting or shedding or tangling or whatever in your hands. Like, just go through it smoothly like that. So without much talking, let's just go ahead and install this unit, and at the end I'm going to give an honest review about this wig. And yeah, let's just no one can do it like you.
you.
How the unit is looking at the end, and I really love this wig. I said in the beginning that I was going to give an honest review, so I will be telling you both the positive sides and the negative sides that I have experienced with this unit. One positive thing is, sorry guys, there are cars passing behind me, so you will be hearing the sound. It's irritating, but we have to do what we have to do, right? Very minimal shading. It's very soft. Like, I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling, but can you see how my hands just run through it? Even on the dry side, like my hands just run through it like that. And yeah, I really love this wig. I'm not very sure about the length. I think I purchased 24 inches, but I don't really know if this is actually 24 inches. So that's one thing that I think about whenever I put on this wig. And another thing too is that the lace is very thick. It took a lot to get the lace to look like how it's looking. Obviously I didn't put everything on the camera, but yeah, I had to do some trimming and everything just to make the lace look a little bit invincible, because the lace is very thick. But like I mentioned, it does take bleach very well, and I will be purchasing it again from Rosabeauty on AliExpress. I will put the details of the wig down in the comments below. And that is the end of this video, guys. For all these hair tutorials, install videos, and wig reviews, then this is the channel for you, because I'll be bringing you guys more of that. And on a side note, I have so many videos that I'm getting ready for you guys in August, so stay tuned, subscribe, like, share this video, and turn on your post notifications. Extra Q&A video, so send me your questions via Instagram, and yeah, I will make a video answering all of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.